Preventative medicine is the key to proactively addressing healthcare needs of a community through prevention or early detection of treatable medical issues. By prevention and early detection of medical issues, the goal is to increase life expectancy and the quality of life by preventing long-term illnesses that result in life-threatening medical issues. It is my passion to bring awareness and education to the community regarding preventative medicine. I will be speaking on the following areas: access to healthcare in communities of color, dispelling myths in medicine, the importance of patient-doctor relationships, education on current guidelines that are age-appropriate for your wellness visit, and the role of open family discussion regarding healthcare risk. Please join us.